Ada orang beli tak? So if no, then it's okay.
Tak ada siapa PM saya.
Alright, okay. So nobody want to buy from this group. Okay. So I asked you to give me by today, right? So until now tak ada.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, kalau saya bagi sebelum petang ni boleh? Sebelum pukul 5.
Sebelum pukul 5. Kenapa bukan cakap hari ini sebelum 12? Kan 12 kan? Kenapa?
Tiba-tiba ada orang PM saya nak beli.
Alright. So I think I gave you until nanti kita habis kelas pukul 3, right? So I give you until 4 lah. Okay?
Okay, boleh sir.
So for those who want to buy book, you can just bank e-money, just PM, jangan PM saja, bayar kepada Classrep. Then nanti Classrep akan bagi saya list, then Classrep akan bank kepada person in charge, not bank to me the money. After I give you the person in charge punya bank account. So you need to WhatsApp me the list first, then I can check. So for those who want to buy lah, so it is not compulsory I tak paksa untuk beli. So that one is just additional. Kalau you nak refer, then you have book to refer. Kalau you ada senior yang ada old version also can, no problem.
Sir,
Alright,
nak
so
tanya, buku tu
yes.
berapa ringgit?
Akan ada announce 40 untuk post sampai rumah, 30 collect in KAG.
Okay sir. Thank you.
Right, I have you check the Google Classroom. I ada bagi template untuk isi. So you download from Google Classroom, then you isi. Kalau you separate lah, yang collect KAG dengan yang post sampai rumah. So post sampai rumah 40, kalau collect KAG 30. You refer back to the announcement kat Google Classroom. Alright, so yang collect kat KAG, then under address, you just put KAG lah. Then we know that you akan collect from KAG. Alright, so we don't wait anymore. We start our class for today. So today will be chapter 1, introduction. Alright, so what we're going to discuss in these chapters will be, right, at the end of the chapter, students should be able to explain financial market and business organization, goals of the firm, function of the financial manager, risk and return relationship. So what is finance? When we say finance or kewangan, so what come across in your mind? You can just type your answer in the message box atau you on your mind. When we say finance, what you think about finance? What the words finance when we say kewangan? What come across? Money, okay. Transaction. Hashwani said cost. Farah said account. Any more? Investment, Shafika. Investment calculation, Osman. This one mesti takut calculation, Amira. Sales, related lah. Finance dengan sales tiba-tiba. Capital or business, right? Okay, so we check the definition. All right, here we have what is finance? Finance is what? To obtain and allocated financial resources, right? Effectively and efficiently. we can see the optim. How are we going to get, or how are we going to allocate our financial resources seperti money, asset, right? So how we manage. So maintenance and creation of economic value and wealth. So to increase or to maintain our wealth, kekayaan. So the art of science of management of money and other assets. So pengurusan keuangan, management of money and other assets. Okay, so why we study finance? Kenapa we have to study finance? Then you tertanya-tanya, I am not majoring in finance. Kenapa saya kena ambil finance? You are business study, right? So why you need to study finance? So because finance actually dia merangkumi banyak area. I think all area you need to know. That's why this one they have asked you to take this principle, basic finance. If you are business student, at least you kena tahu how to read financial statement, seperti penyata keuangan. So at least when people say that ask you your company is making money or not, you know where to find, right? Itu tahu mana nak cari whether the company is earning money or making loss, right? So this one at least lah you know. So we have if you are studying majoring marketing, so if you are majoring marketing or marketing student, you still need to know finance. Why? You need to do or create a marketing budget when you do a marketing event, right? Biasa kita ada marketing event, right? If you go shopping mall, sometimes they ada launching event, new products lah. So dia ada satu event. So the events is siapa yang buat? Marketing lah, under marketing. So your boss akan ask you, you say you want to have a big event. So boss will ask you first one thing, how much you need. This one is very reality lah sebab you want to do event, you need money. Or you want to marketing event, you cakap I want to appoint spokesperson from Korea, OPA. You ask them to come to Malaysia, then you need to calculate dia punya budget. It is not cheap or considered expensive. You kena bayar dia, you kena pay for the flight ticket, hotel, makan, bodyguard, right? Insurance sometimes. So you need to have. So you need to prepare. So you need to know how to prepare a budget. Although you tak study finance, must say you need to know. And then if you do a marketing research, marketing financial product, marketing financial product meaning that you are selling, you draw a financial product seperti you are selling insurance, you can selling unit trust atau amanah saham, right? Financial products. So you need to know a little bit about finance. The one is for marketing student. Kalau accounting, right? Accounting lagi lah, you need to know. So deal accounting and finance function preparations of financial statement. So you have to remember accounting student dia akan create penyata keuangan, the financial statements, which is the income statement atau profit and loss statement and balance sheets, right? The one is prepared by accounting student lah. Kalau finance student dia akan guna. So accounting student prepare the financial statement, finance student akan guna lah. So this is accounting student, and then management under business management or business study. So strategic thinking, job performance, profitabilities, right? Or you need to have how to manage your employees, right? You need to have like day-to-day activities, right? Yang company punya daily expenses. And then we have personal finance. This one everybody need to know. You and me, right? Budgeting. Your parent give me, your parent give you your pocket money. Mungkin dia bagi you in the monthly, monthly budget lah. So you gonna plan lah. One day you can spend how much, right? So retirement planning. So you plan for your retired. So siapa yang nak retired awal, you retired at the age of 40, so you plan now. How many of you want to retire early? Dalam umur 45 ke 40 or 50? Now is what? Government staff dah retirement adalah 60. Anybody want to retire early or not?
No.
Wah, no. Semua nak kerja sampai 60. Alright, good. Then we have the college planning, like you, diploma, you need to pay for your fees, right? And then after diploma, you planning, you want to go to degree, then you're gonna check how much is the degree fees, will be expensive lah. Expensive compared to diploma punya fees, day-to-day cash flow, right? And then finance, what's important question that are answered using finance? There, or I can say they give you a guideline or helping in making decision lah. Dia membantu dalam membuat keputusan. So for example, here we have what long-term investment should the firm take on? So for a company, normally dia ada banyak pilihan. Dia ada project A, B, C, D, or mungkin sampai Z. So how the company choose, right? Too many already. So how the company choose which project is most profitable or most suitable for the company? Then guna method yang di-introduce oleh finance, then it will help the company to choose mana satu yang lebih sesuai. So this one first, because when you have too many, you don't know which one is better. Then finance will help you. And then second, where will we get the long-term financing, right, to pay for the investment? So step satu, company, maybe in the future you are the CEO company, then you already choose to project A. Project A adalah bina what project? Bina Water World, right? Water World theme park, Water World theme park sebelah KAG. Right? Why Water World? Is it Malaysia is hot, so then we like to play waters, and then got a lot of student ponteng pergi theme park Water World. All right, so you say, oh, this is a good investment lah. Then second question is where you get the money. You have a project, then you need to have money, right? So kalau tak ada duit, no project can be implemented. So from here, finance will help you. They will give advice where you can get your money. Right? Okay, so see where we get the long-term financing to pay for the investment. Right? And another one will be how will we manage the everyday financial activity of the firm. Like for example, you decide, then you ada duit, then you kena calculate. If you want to build a theme park, so you kena calculate. Satu hari I guna 100 manpower. So how much you need to pay them? And then berapa you kena order cement, pasir, batu. So this one is day to day lah activities. So you need to forecast lah. This today dah siap berapa, then hari ke berapa you kena order lagi pasir, batu. Right, this one is activity harian, so you need to plan. Then finance will help you for this type of activities. Next, we have form of organization. So form organization, they have ada tiga. So sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship business owned by a single individual. Where you can see it's 100% owned by a person. Contoh bisnes mungkin kedai runcit kedai runcit yang berada di taman, right, kat kampung you. So dia adalah boss for the shop, right, kedai runcit. So dia adalah sole proprietorship lah. Dia adalah CEO, dia adalah HR, dia adalah what else? Finance managers, dia seorang kan. One man show. Right, second kita ada partnership atau perkongsian. So and associations of two or more individual joining together as co-owner, right, to operate a business for profit. So mungkin kawan baik, White Fast dengan Amira. So they say let us start our company together. So you just kongsi lah. Then before you start up, then you make a agreement. So saya akan keluarkan 70% capital. Then another one keluarkan 30% capital. Or you put it 50-50. So based on the agreement lah. Right, this one is the partnership, two or more individual. Another one is corporation atau syarikat, an entity that legally function separate and apart from the owner. So ada public ownership and limited liabilities. So they have the word I highlighted, separate and apart from owner. Maksud you adalah owner tapi you tak uruskan syarikat. So meaning you are the owner but you are not managing the companies. So contoh syarikat kat Malaysia, we have Maybank. Maybank. So Maybank is a corporation. So can we buy kita nak jadi owner of Maybank? Can or cannot? Can we become the owner of Maybank?
Cannot.
Cannot. Can or cannot, others? Cannot. Cannot. Everybody cannot. That's why you don't learn finance. Then you say cannot. Actually, yes, we can become the owner of Maybank dengan membeli saham Maybank. Then you become the owner of Maybank. Right? That's why we say here syarikat yang disenarai di pasaran saham. Actually, when you beli saham, maksud you dah jadi owner dia. Tapi dia ada satu konsep, walaupun you dah jadi owner dia, tapi you adalah separated, right? Daripada management dia. Right, so you are the owner tapi you tak manage the company. You appointed orang lain jadi CEO of Maybank. So actually yes, yes, you can become the owner of Maybank, right? Dengan beli saham Maybank. Nanti Maybank dah untung, dia akan share profit lah. How Maybank share profit? Dia bayar dividend. All right, so this one is corporation, and then limited liabilities. What meaning of limited liability? As I said, kalau you beli, we don't say Maybank lah. I give another company, company ABC. Company ABC, you beli share company ABC. Kalau company ABC bankrupt, right? You hanya rugi the money that you pay for the shares. Example, kalau you beli dengan harga RM5, so kalau company dia bankrupt, so you akan rugi RM5 sahaja. So that's why here adalah limited liability yang terhad, liability terhad kepada harga saham yang you beli. Right, this one is corporation. Alright, next, in Malaysia, kat Malaysia kita biasa ada dengar Maybank Berhad atau ABC Sendirian Berhad. So Berhad itu maksud apa? Limited lah. Kalau English is limited, kalau bahasa is Berhad. So apa beza these two? So Berhad is to identify a public limited company. Public limited company is yang company yang tersenarai dalam pasaran saham. Right, then that one we call public listed company. Public listed company atau dia ada berhad ke belakang company name. Dia ada berhad. Maksud kalau you nak jadi owner of the company, boleh tak? Boleh. You just beli the saham of the company lah dalam pasaran saham. So, you know right, the pasaran saham Malaysia dia ada nama. What is the nama, tahu tak? Macam, actually kalau you just compare dia macam pasar malam. Kalau pasar malam dia ada nama, right? So, yang pasaran ini, market ini, dia jual saham. So, that's why kita panggil dia pasaran saham. So, our nama, right, name for our market, kita panggil dia Bursa Malaysia. Bursa Malaysia di mana you can beli and jual saham, right? Okay, so next we have the sendirian. Sendirian Berhad atau private limited company. Private limited company means one, dia sendirian. Sendiri, right? So you tak boleh lah beli saham dia in the open market because it's private, right? Kalau public, you want to buy the saham, yes, but private, no lah. Okay, so Sendirian Berhad company are typically small or mid-size enterprises. So normally kalau private dia tak besar lah, dia punya syarikat. Kalau public limited company dia besar, normally famous, contoh Maybank. What else company that you know that is public listed? Can you name a few? Tahu? Public listed company selain Maybank. Contoh nama bagi.
M-Bank.
M-Bank? M-Bank, okay. RHB?
Public bank.
Public bank. When I bagi contoh bank, then semua bagi bank. Actually ada banyak. Example, hari-hari you guna your handphone. Kita ada Maxis, Digi, Uni5. That one they all public listed. TNB, yes, fast. Right, TNB, Tenaga Nasional, yes, they are public listed. Apa lagi? Petronas, yes. Patini, jual baju Patini. Apa lagi? Old Town, cafe Old Town. Axiata, betul. Aisyah, Farm Fest. Yes, Farm Fest dia baru listed this year. Kalau last year you cakap Farm Fest memang tak ada lah, dia belum listed. This year dia baru listed. Asia, Nuhanis, Asia dia dah tukar nama. Dia tukar jadi apa already ya? Capital A, I think Capital A. Yes, Telecom. Sandabi, yes. Okay, so this one semua adalah public listed. Kalau you nak jadi owner dia, bolehlah pergi beli saham. Alright, this one is all Berhad lah. Okay, then Berhad company have stricter financial reporting standard than Sendirian Berhad company, because they must disclose the financial statement to the public. So this one logic lah kenapa Berhad dia lagi strict sebab dia jual saham kepada orang ramai. So dia kena disclose dia punya keuntungan, dia punya expenses kepada orang ramai lah. So dia punya reporting, in term of reporting, is more strict as compared to private limited company. Right, okay. So although most Berhad company list their share and trade on the stock market, they could choose a stay unlisted. So sometimes dia boleh from listed to unlisted lah. Dia jadi private limited company kalau dia don't want to get listed lah. Alright, okay, this one is corporation, Berhad and Sendirian Berhad. Next, kita ada sole proprietorship. So we have a business owned by single individual. Just now kita cakap 100%. What is the advantage just for kalau you nak tubuhkan syarikat sendiri, apa kebaikan? Ease of formation. So senang, you just go and apply a license, then you dah boleh tubuhkan satu syarikat. Right? This one senang. Belong to only one person. So because belong to only one person, so your decision will be muktamad. So tak ada orang nak cakap tak boleh, because you are the owner. What you say is correct. Nobody, tak ada orang bantah. Advantages lah. Managers and owner is the same person. As I said, you are the owner, you are the CEO, you are the HR manager, you are the finance manager, marketing manager lah, semua you. And this one is the advantage. Disadvantages will be limited life. When we say limited life, is referring to the company. The life of the company will be short based on the owner life. Kalau owner mati, tutup kedai. Dia tak macam Maybank. Maybank kalau shareholders mati, Maybank still there. Unlimited life Maybank. As compared to kedai runcit kat taman you, kalau owner dia mati, tutup kedai. Atau mungkin dia dah tukar nama. So limited life. Unlimited liabilities. Unlimited liabilities, utang yang tidak terhad. So kalau company dia berutang berbilion-bilion, dia kena bayar berbilion-bilion dengan duit sendiri. This is unlimited liabilities. If you have debt 10 million, the owner have to pay 10 million. Difficult to raise capital, modal susah, because you are only one person. If you have 10,000, then 10,000 is a modal. If you have 2,000, then 2,000 is a modal. That's why we said difficult to raise capital. It depends on the owner owner's fund. Right? So kalau owner ada banyak duit, then dia ada banyak lah. Kalau owner sikit duit, then sikit lah. Alright, this one will be the sole proprietorship. Next, we have partnership. So an association of two or more individuals join as a co-owner of business for profit, right? So advantages, senang juga, ease of formation, and then belong by more than one person. So the shares, the liabilities, bound by partnership agreement. So as I said, kalau dia ada dua orang, kalau dia agreement adalah 50%, 50%. So kalau liabilities, kebaikannya you boleh share your utang. Right? Kalau sole proprietorship, tak boleh share. So this one you boleh share dua orang lah. Kalau 50%, 50%, kalau you ada share 100,000, then dua orang, seorang 50,000 lah, you boleh share. This one kebaikannya, you can share. Right, disadvantages, limited life, sama kalau one of the owner pass away, so you need to close the company. Second, unlimited liability, sama juga dengan sole proprietorship. If the company owe berbillion, so the owner need to pay lah using their own money. Right, unlimited. Excuse me. Right, excuse me. Then we continue. Here we have difficult to raise capital, same based on the fund that the owner or partner that you have lah. So difficult to raise capital. Next we have corporation. So Sharika, an entity that legally or functions separate from its owner. Advantage, ease of transfer of ownership. As I said, if you want to become the owner of the company, you just buy the share of the company. So you become the owner. So if you need money, you just sell your shares, right, in the open market. So senang lah you nak tukar ownership. Ease. Right, and the shareholders are co-owner. Shareholders adalah owner lah. Limited liability, as I say, kalau you beli dengan saham RM5, so company bankrupt, so you rugi RM5 sahaja. Dia tak macam sole proprietorship dengan partnership. Kalau company rugi 100,000, you kena bayar 100,000. Tapi untuk corporation, you hanya rugi harga or the price that you buy. Kalau you beli dengan harga RM5, then you just rugi RM5. Limited lah. Limited. Limited ability. Ease of raising capital, this one senang. Because if the company need to grow the business, they can just issue new shares, right? Jual saham baru lah. So ease of raising capital. Disadvantages will be double taxation and cost of setup and report filing. Double taxation, I explain later. Cost of the setup, sebab this one dia jual saham kepada orang ramai, so dia kena ada reporting lah. As I said, they need to prepare the financial statement, then they need to go through the auditors. All this one, they need money, right? You need to pay accountant, you need to pay auditors. So this one cost lah. Right, this will be the advantages. Right, let's talk about double taxation. Here, this one adalah income statement atau profit and loss statement for a company. This is for a company. Right, you copy down this one. Right, income statement, normally this one adalah format dia. Format. So normally income statement will start with sales atau or we call revenue. Same meaning. Sometimes they use sales, sometimes they use revenues, right? Then you minus cost of goods sold or COGS, or minus other expenses. Then we have earning before interest and taxes, short form EBIT. After that, you minus the interest atau I. Right? Interest is normally a company they will loan. They akan loan from bank, then we need to pay interest to the bank. So we minus interest. Then equal to earning before taxes EBT. Then we minus taxes atau T. Right here, government would tax. This one will be the the company pay tax to the government. Right? This one will be government first time lah they tax. After that, they ada sampai after minus the tax paid to the government, then will be net profit atau keuntungan bersih. Net profit atau sometimes called net profit, net income, earning after taxes. This one meaning sama, meaning sama. So let's say that the company did other net income, right? The company have net income 100 million. 100 million. You are the CEO of the company. What should you do with this money? If you have 100 million untung, you are the CEO now, you can decide how to use the money. So how you use it? Anybody? Beli saham. Beli saham. This one is not individual, Amir. This one adalah sebuah syarikat. This one is a company. So syarikat ini dia ada keuntungan 100 million. So beli saham sendiri, syarikat sendiri ke beli saham different company?
Different company.
Different. Others, okay. Investment lah, meaning you use this 100 million untuk buat investment. Alright. Okay, others? Pay the salary. Fast. Salary kita sudah pay kat atas ini. Cost. Other expenses kita sudah tolak kat atas. So this one adalah keuntungan bersih. So tak payah bayar lagi salary. Sini kita sudah tolak. This one is keuntungan bersih. Sekarang you got 100 million ni. Kesiannya. You ada duit 100 million tapi tak tahu macam mana nak guna. What should you do with this 100 million? Kalau you are the CEO of the company.
Expand the business.
Expand the business. Betul? You want to grow the business, Wahida. Selain grow business, what else you can do with the business? You do with the money?
Simpan dalam bank.
Simpan dalam bank. Aduh. Simpan dalam bank. Kalau you are the owner of the company, are you happy? CEO cakap, I ada 100 million. Simpanlah 100 million dalam bank. Then lepas tu dia cakap, I guna 100 million untuk grow the company. Amir cakap, I guna 100 million untuk beli saham syarikat lain. If you are the owner, are you happy? You adalah saham shareholder. Are you happy or not?
No.
No. Siapa cakap no? So you financial. This one is siapa cakap ni? Cik Wan cakap financial planning. Pandai you bagi jawapan financial planning. I ask you what planning you have, then you bagi saya financial planning. What planning that you have? It's too general financial planning. What plan you have? Can you tell me or not what plan you have? Ada orang satu bagi increase dividen, tak payah increase. Bagilah dividen, bagi bonus. This one lagi. Anis cakap bagi bonus dekat pekerja. Kalau saya owner, I lagi tak happy. You bagi bonus kepada pekerja tapi you tak bagi duit kepada shareholders. The owner you tak bagi. Kalau you dah bagi bonus kepada pekerja, dia maksud dia money yang ada sudah berkurangan to pay to the shareholders. So how you want to make the shareholders adalah owner kan, you nak bagi shareholders happy, adalah orang cakap bagi dividen. Betul, bagi dividen. Yeah, correct. You have to give dividend. So remember, kalau kita shareholders pun, kalau you tengok syarikat buat keuntungan 100 million, tapi shareholder 1 sen pun tak dapat, of course shareholder akan mengamuk. Both syarikat, I invest in your company is making profit, tapi you tak bagi saya 1 sen pun. Of course, shareholders akan mengamuk. Alright, okay. So how to make the shareholders happy? Kita share profit dengan shareholders lah. Kita kongsi keuntungan. So how macam mana kita kongsi? Kita bayar dividen lah. So kita kena seimbang lah. Kita tak boleh bayar 100 million tu semua kepada shareholders. Tak boleh. So kita kena, tadi ada orang cakap grow the business, right? So kita juga kena grow our business. Kita nak buka more branches, right? So kita kena reserve or retain some money in the company. So dalam 100 million ini kita bahagi kepada dua group. Satu is what retain earning. Kat sini ada tulis retain earning. So kita mungkin boleh retain 60 million dalam syarikat untuk kembangkan syarikat or grow the company. Then another balance 40 million kita bayar dividend kepada shareholders. To make shareholders happy. Sebab kalau shareholders tak happy, dia akan jual saham syarikat, then harga saham akan jatuh. So then it's not good for the company. So to make sure that you make shareholders happy, kita kena bayar dividend. Right? So 60 million kita simpan dalam syarikat untuk grow company. Another 40 million kita bayar dividen kepada shareholders, so the shareholders pegang lah our share, dia tak jual share kita. So kalau you dah bayar dividen kepada shareholder akan dapat keuntungan. So keuntungan ini kerajaan akan tax lagi satu kali. So shareholders dia kena bayar lagi satu tax, personal tax to government. That's why kita panggil double taxation. Kerajaan sudah tax 2 kali untuk keuntungan yang sama. Pertama kat level company level government tax, and then another time second government tax kat investor level lah. That's why kita panggil double. Maksud double apa? Double, right? Right? Double maksud 2 kali lah. Double maksud 2 kali ya. Two. Dia ada tax 2 kali. This one is called double taxation lah. This one is the disadvantages lah untuk corporation. Sebab kita bayar banyak tax kepada kerajaan. Alright, okay. So this one lah, you just copy down this one. Okay, so any question regarding double taxation? All right, Noah. Okay, so we continue. Profit maximization. Time already. 2:50. All right, okay, 2:50 times already. I have another class at 3. So, other question tak? No question. Right, okay, if no question, then I check your future attendance and wait for a while.
Sir,
Yes.
boleh tak kalau Sir bagi slide tu kat GC?
This slide already put in. I already uploaded to
Oh,
Google Classroom ada.
okay Sir. Thank you.
Only yang slide yang ini, I think you kena copy ya. Yang tadi punya double taxation the income statement yang ini, I memang purposely tak bagi. I want you to copy. Right? Yang slide lain semua ada.
Okay, thank you Sir.
Let's check Aisyah. Aisyah tak ada ni. If you in the class, please take attendance.
Okay Sir.
Nu Atlina Shahmin. Alright, semua ada. 1, 2%. Okay. Alright, so I need your help to help me. Nak minta tolong untuk isi survey for e-wallets, regarding e-wallet. So I'll paste the form dalam chat. So you help me to isi just maybe 5 minit sahaja. Right, this one and this document. You try to help me to fill lah. Right, isi the survey. All right. Any more question regarding the textbook? You can just PM or bank in money to your class rep, then class rep kumpul, nanti dia akan bagi saya lah. So again, it's not compulsory. So if you think you need it, then you buy. And then 40 untuk yang post sampai rumah. So make sure you bagi address, but jangan sila bagi address. 30 untuk yang self collect di KAG. Okay. That's all. Right. Okay. And if you have no question, then I will meet you again bila kita jumpa.
Hari Rabu depan, Sir.
Okay, so next week kita punya kelas kat Rabu 2:30 because Monday kalau public holiday. So kita change our time to 2:30, 4:30 in Rabu. So I wish you selamat berpuasa and happy holidays. Bye-bye and thank you. I remember to help me to do the survey. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sir.